What were you looking at here is one of those tradesmen that don't have a place here in Colon Street, that they are doing their honest business, but they just don't have the space for, and then they're also for renting a shop, so they just do like roadside thing. Dakora. So he's actually, we watch him as he's doing shoe, a rubber shoe, and he's asking 100 pesos per pair if he has to sew up the actual shoes. Because if you look at how he does it, look at the stitching. That one where my hand is, that's the stitching that they do to make sure that the shoes is very strong. And we'll watch him do it like that. Kada adlaw ka diri ya? So he's here doing his business every day. Look, unique. Doing it manually. Ang kanang hilo nga imong gigamit ya, nylon din na siya ya. Kanang para dili na siya para tahi sa nina. Para tahi sa nina. Lahi sa na. Dara ay. So what he's using is actually the kind of thread that they use for sewing up shoes. So that's 450 na yan, no? This Adidas pair, 450 pesos. Gamay na ka na. So someone is buying, so you can have, if you have a different, so he just live around here near the area like in Parian, but this one got different size shoes left, different size shoe right, so you can actually pair them up with different sizes, 44 and 45. So like I said, we like to support them by accepting with letting our jobs to be done by them instead of like the big companies, because so that they can survive. So that's 450.
450 ako na magiguna ani gapon.
Oh.
Pauna ko ani niya ba?
So they don't want to be busted that they are haggling it down. So the word that they can use here is like, oh, I already had made the down payment yesterday, but you know, so because they're looking at as new customer, so I know that he only paid for 370 from 450. So this one, he's got different size left, different size right. So okay na. Ayan, gamito niya. So there's another one there. It's just very big for me. I could have bought one because I like cheaper shoes. So when when I'm filming like in the rice paddies, rice fields, and there's mud and it gets dirty and rip off, I will just throw them away when it's like got rip or gets so muddy that I cannot wash it anymore, like it's going inside. But look at this one. Kuya is fixing a rubber shoes, and that's how he does it. Imuha na ya? Niya ha ba? Humana ang usawa pa. He said he's earning good money here, enough for him to survive every day. So now you can imagine why a lot of vendors, I know it has been cleaned up by the government because there'll be a lot of them, they still come back when they do it by chancing, by chance that if they can sell on the roadside, they will, because of it's an honest means of living, but they will earn from the skills. Because look at him, it's already old, but he still got the skill to make those shoe fixing. So here, Kuya Marlon is the shoe repair and vendor here on the roadside. Marley. Because Sen actually asked his name, but I can't get it because I was busy looking at what he's doing. Atay. Sorry, this patient's been blown away. So, this is some of the life of the vendors and tradespeople are on the roadside of Colon Street. Actually, I am on Colon Street, but right on the end, where you're gonna be connecting to Parian, because there's a lot of places here, like that yellow building, very notorious stories. Like that's the hidden lodge for short time use. Okay, that used to be like a red light building. That building there, the hidden lodge. So going back to my subject on this video is this Mang Kuya here as the shoe vendor and shoe repair. Mobile shoe vendor and mobile shoe repair. That's how the best way to describe them. So to show the other people, especially the ones that didn't have that been here to the Philippines, that's the story of some of them, is because they're earning more, they're earning better when they're than just staying at home, so they rather apply their trade on the streets.